Hey there, homebrewers, ready to dive into the world of kombucha? Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own SCOBY. That's right, that strange rubbery blob that works magic. Let's get started. First up, what's a SCOBY? It stands for Symbiotic Culture of Bacteria and Yeast. Think of it as a team of bacteria and yeast working together to transform sweet tea into kombucha. You don't exactly make a SCOBY from scratch. Instead, you grow it by creating the right conditions. You'll need a bit of kombucha as a starter. All right, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of filtered or boiled water, 2 tablespoons of loose leaf black tea or 3 tea bags, 2 tablespoons of white cane sugar, 1 cup of unflavored, unpasteurized store-bought kombucha. Optional, 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar, and for equipment, a clean glass jar, about 1 quart size, a breathable cover like a coffee filter, cloth or paper towel, a rubber band, a pot for boiling water, a wooden spoon. Step 1. Make your sweet tea base. Boil the water, add the tea and let it steep for 5-10 minutes. Remove the tea leaves or bags, then stir in the sugar until it's fully dissolved. Let the tea cool to room temperature. Remember, hot tea will kill the culture. Step 2. Set up the jar. Pour the cooled sweet tea into your clean glass jar. Add the store-bought kombucha and the vinegar if you're using it. Stir gently with the wooden spoon. Step 3. Cover and wait. Cover the jar with your breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band. This keeps bugs out but lets air in. Fermentation needs oxygen at this stage. Place the jar in a warm, dark spot, ideally 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 to 29 degrees Celsius. Avoid direct sunlight or cold drafts. Step 4. Let the SCOBY grow. Wait 4 weeks. You'll see a thin, cloudy film form on top within a few days. That's the baby SCOBY starting. It'll thicken over time into a creamy white, rubbery disc about 1/4 inch thick. The liquid will smell tangy like vinegar. If you see mold, toss it and start over. Cleanliness is key. Step 5. Harvest and use. Once your SCOBY is thick and sturdy, usually 2-4 weeks, it's ready. You can use it to brew kombucha right away with the liquid it's in as starter tea. Store extra SCOBYs in a jar with some of the liquid at room temp. Here are some quick tips. Be patient. Colder temps slow growth, warmer ones speed it up. Don't freak out if it looks uneven or has bubbles. It's alive, not perfect. Sanitize everything to avoid contamination. And there you have it. You've now got a living SCOBY to kick off your kombucha adventure. Comment to start a conversation and let me know what you're brewing next. Happy brewing? And remember, the journey of brewing kombucha is as enjoyable as the drink itself. Cheers!